Okay, so here we are in the shadow of the Soleil, and we are hunting for the elusive wild myrtille, the myrtille sauvage, or as most people would call it, wild blueberries or bilberries if you're in America. So we've got our rake with us, which should make it a lot easier. So and of course, as you know, afterwards we're going to make some booze. It's me. What did you expect? Jam? Seriously? Bienvenue and welcome to 150 Days of Winter. Hello. 7 screws, 1 plate. Well, today we're going to be making creme de myrtille 2 different ways. I'm going to be making creme de myrtille using alcohol pour fruit, which is just a very base alcohol, and it's going to be diluted down. I'm also going to make some myrtille vodka, which will not be diluted down. Both of these use exactly the same set of ingredients. I have, of course, because this is myrtille sauvage, we have 500 grams of myrtille. Same here, both picked at 2 different times. We have 500 grams of sugar. We have 1 liter of alcohol. We have further creme de myrtille. I'm adding a vanilla pod, and in both of these they will have the zest of half a lemon. That simple. Now these blueberries have been frozen while I was thinking of what to do with them. They are really the first things to go into the jar. They have of course been thoroughly cleaned, and all the insects and the like have been removed from them, of course, before they were frozen. I truly wish you could be here to smell this. It smells absolutely amazing. I'm going to go and pour fruit, and of course, just so we get every bit of juice for these blueberries, I'm just going to rinse out with the vodka, or not even with the vodka, or the alcohol pour fruit. That is a little bit full. It's all about waiting. Agitate and wait. So 40 days have passed, and these have been sitting out on my balcony in the sunshine, basically doing their thing. Every couple of days I've been giving them a bit of a shake, just getting everything mixing and doing all the good stuff. I've actually forgotten which one I'm making the vodka out of and which one I'm making the creme de myrtille out of instead. Anyway, this is the really boring bit. And it's also, even before I open these, I know this is going to get super messy. Okay, I've got my funnel I've got my coffee filters, and we've got to try and decant these into these. Ooh, sticky. Oh. Ooh, smells nice. Let us go and this is going to take a while.
One eternity later.
When I started filtering this, I thought I would do a cool little time lapse, and a few hours later I would have it all finished. Unfortunately, as you can tell, I'm wearing a different t-shirt, and it's 2 days later. This stuff would just not go through the coffee filters, or if it did, it was going very slowly. And as I've said before, we have made a complete and utter mess. I mean, seriously. So the only thing left to do is, of course, is to test it. Cheers. Wow. That's amazing. Very strong. This stuff at the moment is 40%, give or take, maybe 35 upwards, and very sweet. I'm going to be making a second batch from this, which will be half the strength, which I actually think is going to be better for drinking. It'll probably have, I'll just dilute this in half with water. Anyway, I'm going to be giving this to my guinea pigs to make a video to see if it's better than you can buy from the shop. Of course, that video link will be up somewhere up there. And until then, cheers. Oh.